Now, let's see this variation. This is a little more complex. And I spent probably, I think, a long weekend figuring this out. So I want to show you how to do this. We want to now create a box plot, the same box plot, but not with min-max. We have the whiskers, but min-max has to be outliers. And the whiskers has to be at 1.5 times the interquartile range. So let's see how we can create this box plot. In your supplement, we have this script box plot with outliers. The change is in this function. So when we map this function over the day to create a data table, we create some more columns. So we have some more columns here. We want outliers, so min and max outliers, and then the actual min max. Right? So this will depend on the data distribution. We'll see here. So we compute all the values, and then we say the min and max, according to this box plot, is at 1.5 times the interquartile range. So we compute the min and max, and this will be this whiskers. Now, if your min and max are actually within that 1.5 times the range, then you just display it at 1.5 times. You don't display any outlier. But if your min and max is outside of this range, and then you have to add value for the outlier. So this is what the code does. It checks the actual min value, compares it with this min value of the bottom 25 percentile minus 1.5 times the range. And if this min value is lower than that, it adds the value as an outlier. If otherwise, it will be a null. So if the min max value falls within this 1.5 times range, you'll get null value. If min max outside, you'll get the outlier value. And now when we plot this, we can now style this different, where we say the interval style is this, but min and max are bars, min and max outliers are points. So those will be represented as points. So you can see now we have this box plot. So now we have for wherever the min and max are outside of the range, you will get those dots. This whiskers are now at 1.5 times the interquartile range. And wherever the min and max are within that, you will not get the dot. Right? So this shows you a more distribution where you can see now the outliers are really an outlier.